to the Gundam factory in Yokohama. I'm very excited because it's a real life-size Gundam that actually moves. It's the only Gundam that moves, so we're gonna check it out. Hi, arigatou gozaimasu. Wow, it's real! You can actually go on top of the tower and it's like $30 to see the Gundam from up top, but we're gonna skip that.
ABC is at the front.
Oh, it's gonna stop! Oh, you're right, it's gonna start stomping on people! Get out of the way!
Oh, the clouds get they're coming, they're so black. And it's starting to drain. We don't even have an umbrella. Everyone's leaving. Yeah. Alright, now we're heading out. We're gonna go to a ramen museum to try out some ramen. And I am very hungry, so I'll take that. Wow. That's so cool. Now we gotta find the place that has vegetarian and chicken. Each stand has a little line. They told me that this one has vegetarian and also the one on the side, the fullest lines. Vegetarian ramen. The food was so good. It was the best vegetarian ramen I've had. It was so good. I've already had 2 vegetarian ramen. This is the best one. Now we're going to the Ghibli Museum. Woo! Unfortunately, you weren't allowed to record or take pictures inside the museum, so there's not much I can show you aside from the garden. My favorite part of the museum was this huge room that was trying to portray Hayao Miyazaki's workroom. It was filled with books, original sketchbooks, paintings, and more. It was super fun to spend time looking at all the small details hidden inside the room. You can also watch a short film inside the museum, and we got to see one about Totoro. Luckily, it didn't have a lot of dialogue because it does not have subtitles. Lastly, you can get a souvenir in the huge gift shop. I got this little magnet with the front of the museum with Totoro as a memory. I hope you guys can see it for yourselves when you go to Japan because it's truly a very beautiful experience. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. It's raining like crazy. I'm wearing sandals. The thing is, it's so hot. It's like 95% humidity. So you cannot dress like for the rain. You gotta dress for the summer. We came to a shrine. I don't remember the name. I'll put it in the bottom. But yeah, this shrine apparently is like the anime shrine because it's been in a lot of anime. Like Love Live and Steingate. Love Live! Vending machine of Lucky Charms.
Good luck charms.
I'm Lucky Charms. In it. Wow. Oh my god! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god! I've been having so much fun on this trip, it's crazy. I've been making true every single one of my dreams. Now the only one like it's left is going to Universal, but we're doing that next week.
any shungai?
I am not Shanghai.
Looking for some recording. I'm looking for some shungai.
Hololive. Those are cute. Oh, look at that. Pretty. Oh my god. Can we go in? I don't think so. Let me show you the inside though. Let me show you the inside. Oh my god, I'm getting so wet. Yo, this is not nice. Look how pretty though. Beautiful. Okay. That's enough. That's all you're doing? Okay, more! Nakano Broadway. Mochi! Hi! Oh. Hi.
Thank you.
Oh. Whoa. If it falls down, we're not responsible.
Wow. Taste test. Test it, Leah. Don't drop it. Focus on the ice cream.
Can we make it? It's like leaning, look. I asked where I could find something Cardcaptor Sakura. He marked it on the map, but like look how many different stores they have. Let's say like divided in categories so you don't get lost. They have everything. These are pictures. These kind of stores I prefer more than the ones in Akihabara. It has like more variety of
more
things.
substance and more
Yeah,
uniqueness to each
right? Which one you got?
Oh, ugly.
We don't know them either. Spoiler. Oh my god, this is. Oh my god, I love that.
What's it?
There's 𝙗𝙤𝙣𝙗𝙣𝙩𝙗𝙗. And that's the magical item she used to transform. It's so expensive because it's vintage and it's super rare. So they have that one for 22,000 without the gems and this one with the gems. Yeah, this is our last chance to be special plastic. It's 30,000 yen. I have that one at home in Chile.
That's cool.
But it's broken.
That's worth like 3,000 now.
Yeah, it's worth like 200 yen. Oh my god. Alright, decided I'm not gonna get the the figures because... Oh wait! Keon! Now we're in Shibuya. We're gonna go to this shopping mall that has a Pokemon Center, Nintendo store, One Piece store. Digimon! What? It's all Digimon! Oh, Digimon store. Hi. Oh my god! Yeah, this is some dedication and came to Digimon before going to Nintendo. But this is so cute. These are cool. Oh my god. Tell me this is not heaven. Oh, Luffy! Tony Choppa.
This?
That's the Dr. Stone.
Yeah.
Ah,
Player
these ones?
puppies.
Oh my god, they're dog! Yo, these are too cute. No, the character I like looks the ugliest. Right?
Yeah, that one.
They have Demon Slayer too. Oh, cutesy baby.
No,
No, this is too cute.
Can I get it?
Yes. That's so cute.
Bye, family.
This
That was the ugliest one.
This was sold out.
Of course, the ugliest one is not sold out.
Yeah, but this is so funny. We're only buying stickers in the store. I love this like a squirrel. I found a squirrel panda. I found them so cute. This one's so cute. There we go. Mario. Oh my god. How cute. The best part, like a camping set. Aw. What? It's moving. He's real. He's gonna wake up.
He's real. Quick, catch him when he's sleeping.
Lucky. For his little t-shirt. Yeah, let's get a baby. This one I've seen. You stand in the thing and Pikachu copies your clothes. So let's see if Pikachu can copy this.
This. Quick, 5 seconds. 5, 4. This is something like Pokemon thing.
Outfit that's like
Oh, the clothes.
We're the same!
That's nothing like you. This is a scam. That's nothing like you.
Honestly, so far, the best Pokemon store we've been to is the one in Nihonbashi. It's called Pokemon DX. That's definitely the best one. It's the biggest selection of stuff. Alright, so you make your t-shirt and then you come pick it up an hour later. So Rabia got like this one.
Yeah.
It's so cool. Also says Shibuya. It's very cool. I want one too, but I don't know. I don't want to get the same one
Hey,
as
let's
you.
see this one. Let's see
I
this
like
one.
that one. That one's cool.
That's kind of cool.
No. I like that one with the black. So let's say you do that, Pokemon, then you choose a Pokemon.
Oh.
You're gonna choose. So cool, right? Guys, look what I found. Life size. I think her name is Chizuru. I haven't watched this anime. Cute. She has a real bag and everything. Wow.